We finished cooking our yufka. If you like my yufka, please leave a comment. Let me know if I'm doing it right. Today, I'll make yufka without measuring. First, 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is the only thing added to yufka dough. It is kneaded with water. I also knead the dough on the board. Now I'm shaping the dough balls for our yufka. I make them by estimating the size. I use a handful of dough, enough to fill the palm of my hand. I hold it in my hand and roll it until it forms a smooth ball. I'll let the dough balls rest for at least half an hour. They'll roll out beautifully. Now I cover them with plastic. I leave them untouched for half an hour. We let our yufka dough rest. Now we've started rolling out the dough. Sprinkle plenty of flour and gently press all around it. Now we roll out our dough. Don't think rolling out yufka is too difficult. Don't press too hard with the rolling pin. Gently wrap and stretch the dough. With practice, you'll get used to it. Don't say, I can't roll it out, or I can't do it. Just keep trying. You'll learn by rolling and practicing. I'm placing it on the griddle. There it goes. It cooked beautifully and puffed up nicely. We finished cooking our yufka. May God keep you safe. If you like my yufka, please leave a comment. Let me know if I'm doing it right.